Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As the top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007. With rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-quality products and service. The BONOSS Ranger wheel spacers have global patent active cooling design. The BONOSS Ranger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute and pedal shape. These grooves allow this thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. The BONOSS Ranger wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, and another is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And match ISO grade 10 laminate. The machine laminates use vertical material by continuously forging process, and match ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. The machine wheel studs use SCM 4.0 steel material. BONOSS have over 66 SGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provide OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the BONOSS wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the factories, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm and PCD-CB composition. BONOSS have a complete Ranger wheel spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case have exceeded 10,000 times. We have started supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw material and products meet the needs of large volume orders, and has a good sales networks in various international markets. The BONOSS Ranger wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the wheel spacers and make the wheel spacers safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS, who has a view.